Today we'll talk about application templates in DrupalForge. Let's talk about what is DrupalForge first. So DrupalForge is a platform to demo, develop, and deploy Drupal applications with zero complexity. You can launch applications in less than 5 seconds. You can develop using a built-in cloud IDE. And then after that, you can download your apps or you can deploy them to, you can connect to VPS and then deploy it to them, or you can deploy it to other hosting companies. All right, let's take a look. So here is DrupalForge. It's at drupalforge.org. Scroll down, and these are all the different templates. And I can pick a template like Drupal 11, for example. I'll go here and type in the challenge and click on Express Launch. You'll see this launch within 5 seconds. There you go. And there's your application. And you can log in with as a user, as a Drupal admin. And you can also enable the Cloud Dev environment, which is essentially VS Code in a browser. Comes with a built-in terminal. There are no SSH keys to maintain. And it's preloaded with Composer and with Drush. You can edit files in here, so I can come over here and edit files. For example, I can go here and edit a file. I just added an interrupt here, to show PHP info. If I go here without saving the code or without doing any commits, I can come over here and reload the page, and you'll see whatever changes I've made that you'll see it here right away. So it's a live editor that you get to play with. If I comment this out, and I'll go back and reload this, you'll see Drupal come back. All right, so you've got a live editor that you're playing with, and you've got full terminal with Composer and Drush, and you can set SCP or FTP built in. So you can drag and drop files into this file tree. And if you right click on one of these files, you can actually download the file as well. So that's how you play with VS Code here. And that's templates on DrupalForge. Okay, once you've got this template going, the other things you can do is, let me go back to this template. So this template goes on for, this is the template. This is an app that we created using a template. Goes on for an hour by default. You can extend it if you wanted to, and then you can save it and then manage it. So what are application templates? These are pre-built Drupal sites with modules, themes, and demo content ready to launch instantly. They're reusable blueprints of demo applications. You can think of it as starting points for building production applications. There are base templates, community contributed templates, and sponsored templates. So let me give you an example. of the home page. Drupal CMS and Drupal 11 would be considered base templates. Drupal CMS with AI, Next Drupal, Florida Drupal Camp, those are all community contributed templates and maintained by community members. And Drupal Helps is from the Drupal Help training uh, site, and that's a sponsored template. Some templates are come with AI and some don't, and there are decoupled and regular templates as well. So let's take a look. So Drupal Next, for example, or Next Drupal is a decoupled template, and Drupal AI or Drupal CMS with AI, that's uh, the Drupal CMS template with AI modules and an AI key. So if it has AI, if a template has AI modules installed on it, it will come with a demo AI key. It's not going to be much, but it might be $1, a few dollars, that so you can actually start demoing and start using AI right out of the box without adding your own key. Once you run out of the credits, then you'll have to add your own key. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of using templates. Why would it make sense to use the templates? First of all, it's zero frustration and zero wait. You don't have to you don't have to figure out how to set it up on your laptop. You don't have to prepare your laptop. You don't have to do anything. You just have to go open up a browser, click, and it's ready for you. It's built by experts. So the community members that are contributing these templates, they know what they're doing. And those are the folks that are actually setting it up for you, configuring it, testing it. All of it is done for you before you even click on the button to launch it. You're getting the exact clone of from someone who knows how to set it up exactly. And that's what you're getting. So you're skipping all the setup, and within 5 seconds, you're getting the exact clone of the way how it should be set up. You can customize it. The Cloud ID is there. It's fast, it's easy, it's cheap. You can have multiple templates going at the same time. You can demo and present confidently. This is the biggest thing when it comes to doing presentations, when it comes to doing demos. A lot of times you'll set it up and it'll break. These templates are every single time, they're 100% reliable and consistent. When you start it up, they're going to work as expected. That's it. Those are the big benefits for using these application templates. Okay. To customize these templates, there are different options that you have. You can edit the code. We saw that using VS Code. You can add modules. So you have full access to Drupal. You have composer access. You can add modules as you need them. There is demo content. So if you like what you've got out of the box, you can just go in and change the content. If you wanted to, you can invite other developers and you can collaborate. I'll show you real quick how you do that. So you go into the dashboard and you can go into members and you can add collaborators and you can add them as a maintainer or a developer. And you can extend your templates with AI. You can add AI modules. You can use LLMs, vector databases, chatbots, and MCPs. We'll have some more demos to show you how to do those things pretty soon. Okay. If you want to create your own templates, it's, you know, let's talk about what makes a good template. Okay. So what you want is something that solves a specific problem, um, and you want to provide solutions to some real use cases so people can actually see what you're trying to do. Or you can also do show and tell templates for classes, presentations, and demos so people can learn from those templates. And if you want to add AI to your templates, then contact us because then we can actually add an AI key to your templates as well. So we looked at what makes a good template. Let's look at how to document it. To document a template, you want to do a write-up. So it's basically tell me what your template is about. You want to do a video so you can show me what the template is about. And then it's good to have a presentation. So if somebody actually likes your template, they can share it with other people as well at conferences, at meetups, at their own companies, and so on. So a walkthrough of what it does in a presentation format goes a long way. When you're ready to share your template, the process is to build your template. You start with an existing Drupal site or you start with an existing template and you build on it. You configure it, add modules, add content, whatever your custom functionality you want to add on it. Test it, make sure it works well, have other people test it as well. Package it. This is when you're going to contact us. We'll help you package it, create an image for it. Then we will help you publish it. We have to check the template to make sure that it runs well, doesn't have any malware in it, etc. And then you will be in charge of maintaining the template, making sure you keep it up to date. All right, that's about it for templates. If you have any questions, go to the DrupalForge channel on Drupal Slack, and you can ask questions there. You can contact us from there. Again, if you haven't tried DrupalForge, give it a shot.